Hello, my name is Jeff and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. This is a 2006 E500 4Matic. The E500 is a V8 5-liter and 4Matic means it's all-wheel drive. Color is Cubanite Silver Metallic with black leather interior. Has the 17-inch sport wheels. The body's in beautiful condition. It's not scratched up. Very nice original paint on it. It's fully detailed inside and out. Mercedes always made the best looking wagons, and some of the earlier models are highly collectible, and this one is becoming highly collectible as well because of the V8, the all-wheel drive, the active suspension, and the great styling. Has power memory front seats on both sides. They are heated and they are cooled, so that's a rare option. Power moonroof. Has a electric tilt and telescoping steering wheel. It's leather and wood. Lots of wood in this vehicle. It's in fantastic condition. Here we are on the inside. $93,265 miles. Automatic climate control. Left and right temperature controls. Factory navigation. Satellite radio. Has a premium sound system. 6-disc CD. Right there. Rain sensing wipers. Here's a look at the rear climate control. It has individual temperature for the left and right side as well. The rear doors have shades on both sides. That's an option. Power tailgate. And here's the third row seat, complete with shoulder belts. And it naturally it'll fold down flat. Has the partition, and which is also a vertical partition with a net. So that's very handy with pets or keeping packages in the rear. Push the button, it closes. Interior is in fantastic condition. Beautiful Mercedes wagon, runs and drives excellent. Lots of great options on it and a great color combination. Give us a call and we would love to discuss some other details about this Mercedes wagon. Thank you for looking in.